Let's create a quiz assignment. When you select the Create button, you're going to come down and select Quiz Assignment. You can see it automatically created a blank quiz. Let's give it a title. And I don't think instructions are optional, so fill in your instructions. You can select the add if you want to add something from your Google Drive, a link, a file, maybe a YouTube video that you want the students to watch, and the quiz will be about what they've seen on the video. It probably is easier to have a quiz form already filled out, then you can attach that as the quiz assignment. Coming beside the add is the Create button. This is where you can create a doc, slides, sheets, drawings, forms. Anything that you create here will be blank. So now you have your blank quiz. Open it up. Let's give it a title. You'll have to take the time to create your quiz. You can select the palette if you want to give it a custom theme. Selecting the gear comes to different things that you can do within this quiz. Do you want to limit it to one response? Do you want your students to be able to edit it after they submit it, or see a summary charts and text responses? Presentation goes to show the progress bar, shuffle question order, and quizzes comes to do you want to turn on lock mode? And you want the grade released immediately after submission. I'm going to select Save, and I'm going to close the quiz. I have to hit F5 to do a refresh so that you can see that the name of the quiz has been updated. Now, when you look at the locked mode on Chromebooks, if you turn this on, then the students, when they take the quiz in a Chromebook, won't be able to leave the Chrome browser and open up a new tab. But if you do turn this on and your students are taking the quiz on a PC, then they won't be able to get into the quiz because this is turned on. I like to turn on grade importing. When you have grade importing turned on and you go to the grades tab and you go to the specific assignment, you have in the upper right, import grades. And when you select that, it will import the grades from the quiz that the student took. In the right column, you can choose the class that you want to select. If you want to assign this quiz, you can select all of your classes. If you select all of your classes, you can't differentiate your testing. You can only differentiate your testing if you have one class selected. Here's the category. You spend the time in the settings, so use your grade category. Is there a due date? Whenever you create a due date, it also puts that on the student's calendar. I like giving a topic. And at the bottom, if you have a rubric, that you can import your rubric, or you can create the rubric right here in the assignment. And you can also check plagiarism. Coming up to the top, this is where you can assign, you can schedule, or save as a draft. Students will see the assignment in their streams immediately. So when it says the students will see the assignment in their streams immediately, when you go to the stream and you see upcoming work, this is where it will show immediately. That's how to create a quiz assignment.